for a period of 3 to 4 months. He hasn't bought yet, but he's wondering whether he should. Kush, on the charts, what's the view?
Not a bad idea at all to consider Ambuja Cement. In fact, the entire cement space has now started to turn a corner after, brief bit of consolidation. Ultratech also is a good pick, in this space. But yes, Ambuja Cements also has done fairly well, has closed above, some of the key resistance levels, the last one being 580. I think this momentum could continue from a 3 to 4 month perspective. I think, a reasonable target on this one is 620. Once that is taken out, you're looking at the 655 as well. So continue to hold, keep a stop loss near the 560 mark.
Got it. All right. Standard disclaimer here. Ambuja Cements is part of the Adani Group, and so is NDTV Group, of which NDTV Profit, as you know, is a part. We've got Chandu calling us from Hyderabad. Hi, Chandu. Very good morning. How can we help you today?
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead, Chandu.
Yeah. So I bought a ABB India at average price of 5,960. Okay, 10 shares I bought it actually.
Okay.
I want to know the short-term and long-term view on this.
Okay. You want to know the short-term and long-term, but did you buy it based on the fundamentals or did you buy it based on the price action?
Yeah, both I see. Both. Yeah.
Okay. All right. The question is for you then, Nirav, since he's not really specified what his time frame is. On the fundamentals, would you hold at these levels? I think that order book has never been an issue. It's execution and valuations. Would you agree?
Well, it's always going to be expensive in terms of valuation because of the technology leadership. I think this is a portfolio stock, and the advice is to hold and keep adding at all declines.
Okay, so that's with regards to where ABB stands. Add at all declines is the view that Nirav has given. All right, our next caller, Amit, is calling in from Dubai. Amit, hi. How can we help you today?
Hey, good morning. First of all, I was watching your show yesterday. I was very impressed that you guys are so sensitive that if a caller calls with our local language, Hindi, you are very flexible, and it was very interesting to see that you guys respond in Hindi. So that's a great job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit.
Quick one.
Yeah.
Quick one. So I have Bata. Crazy year. I've been holding for more than 15 to 18 months.
Yeah.
I cannot make sense of it, whether the consumption will pick up, whether there's PLI in footwear.
Yeah.
But I just do not know what to do with this stock because this is not doing anything at all, up, down, sideways. And I thought it's time for me to think about a switch.
Yeah.
So I want to know what's going on with this particular counter.
Got your question, Amit, and I understand what you're trying to say. And I'll take this up with Nirav. Nirav, we've seen one side there is Bata, which has not done anything per se in FY25, and that's why that's not reflective in the stock as well. But there are other footwear companies that are doing fairly well as compared to where Bata is. What's your view like? Should he book his losses right now in Bata, or should he continue to hold to see some further upside?
No, I think the stock has been a rank underperformer in terms of performance, and I think the stock has been languishing. So it's better to shift to some better growth story. Something like a Metro Brands also can be considered by him.